Hi guys, welcome to Tech World. Today I'm going to show you few formulas which will help you to get started with Excel. So what we have today is few formulas, some formulas of sum. You can see there is a sum, sum if and sumifs. Sum will add certain amount of numbers and sumif will add those numbers which has one criteria. You can see I have written it here. And sumifs will add numbers with multiple criteria. Don't just hesitate with sumif and sumifs. So let's go to the Excel sheet to find out how it works. First of all, we will go to empty cell and write sum. We'll put the first bracket and select those numbers. First bracket close and enter. Look, we got the number 731. There's another side which I put for sum, but in here you can see few empty cells. So what we can do is write sum first bracket and then click on the control button and select those cells which contains numbers and then close the first bracket and enter. Look, we got those values, but Sumif is a kind of different. We have a table which contains the flowers and the quantity sold in a particular month or a season. So we have to find the quantity for orchids, sunflower, rose and tulip. So we're gonna click here, write sum if, and then put the first bracket. So first we have to select the range. What is our range? The range is the name of the flowers. We'll put a comma, and then our criteria is orchids. We'll put another comma. We'll select the quantities. Bracket close. Sorry, bracket closed. Enter. Look, we got the number, and we don't need to type those formulas for individually for sunflower, rose, or tulip. We can just drag and drop it, and look, we got the sum. And for sum ifs, what we can do, we have sum ifs here. I'm gonna write sum ifs first bracket. First we have to select the sum range, which is the quantity here. Put a comma. What's our criteria? The criteria is our selling price. I'm gonna select it here. Put another comma. What's our criteria 1? The price. Put another comma. Our criteria range 2 is the shops or the company names. Another comma. Select the company name. We wanna look for the amount. Click on enter. Look, we got the total selling quantity by using sum ifs. So these formulas are not that hard, but we have to practice more and more to get along with it. And next we have some formulas of average if, and average ifs. So I put those formulas side by side because these two are quite the same, so you will understand it very easily. So let's look at this practically. For average, I'm gonna click on the empty cells, write average. Don't hesitate writing uppercase or lowercase because Excel knows that you are just looking for the average, so you don't need to hesitate. I'm gonna put, look, our average is 66.45, and we're gonna do same here like the sum. I'm gonna write average first bracket control, select those cells containing the numbers, close the first bracket and enter. Look, we got the average again. For average if, it's also quite like the sum if. Average if first bracket. What's our range? Our range is name of the flower. Sorry, I wrote it fruits. Sorry for that. Our criteria is on this cell. This is not showing. Our average cell. Sorry for that. Enter. Look, we got the total number. Now drag and drop. You will get the quantity, total quantity for orchid, sunflower, rose and tulip. Now let's go to the average if cells. Ifs. We're gonna write average ifs, first bracket. We're gonna choose our average range, the cells, comma. Our criteria range 1 is the price of those products, put another comma. Our criteria 1 is the selling price, put another comma. Criteria 2, put another comma. And going to is, we have here, see, we got the total selling quantity. As I couldn't see uh, this cell name, so I put it by my hand. Look at this, it's O5. So these are the few formulas that will help you to get started with your Excel. So thank you for watching us. Please subscribe and put a comment if it's helpful for you or not. It will help us to make future videos. Uh, Thank you, and uh, subscribe us for some new videos. Thank you very much.